Delhi schools are set to reopen again, and that from Saturday, which is tomorrow. We're now being told that the Delhi government has given an approval, a nod to reopen schools, and that from the 6th standard. I'm going across to Abhishek Anand for all the latest. Abhishek, is this directive only for the Delhi government schools, or do the private schools also have this nod from the Delhi government? Why has this decision been taken now to reopen schools from tomorrow?
Well, Pooja, this reopening of school, once the schools reopen from tomorrow, they won't be functioning like the pre-COVID times. The students who are willing to go to the classes will be there, but it will be functioning on a hybrid basis. So the students who are opting for an online classes, there will be no registered maintain attendance registers will be removed from the classrooms, so that those who are willing to come to the school shall be in the classrooms, and those who are not willing to come to the school shall continue the online classes. Now the school managements will ensure that social distancing is being followed inside the classrooms. Masks are on all students, and of course the teacher and sanitizers are there. Also, the primary schools below the 5th standards are going to be reopened from the 27th of this month. So these decisions were taken after a marathon meeting with the authorities concerned. Yes. The Delhi government held a series of meetings with the authorities, including the Air Quality Management Committee.
So Abhishek, yes, what you're telling us, yes, important, and that is my second question, because the classes that will be opening in a hybrid fashion, and that decision rests with the parents from 6th standard to above. Now, this is primarily about pollution, but of course we know that children have not been vaccinated amid the COVID times, and do you think that is why it's going to be a more difficult decision for the parents to decide to send their children, and that specifically above 6th standard?
Well, Pooja, during these meetings, there are some officials from both the Delhi government and the Air Quality Management who raised a very legitimate question that the students who are sitting in their homes are already at risk, as their parents are going out in the crowded places. They are taking metro or other modes of public transport, and they are exposed to the pandemic. But by ensuring proper COVID protocol, we can continue the schools, as the studies of the students, especially in the higher classes, were badly affected during last 1 year, and there were complaints that many good students actually performed very poor due to the online classes. And
so Abhishek, what I can understand from what you're telling us, these marathon meetings have reached a decision of hybrid learning, and it is only above 6th standard that Delhi schools will reopen, and final decision rests with the parents as well. Thank you so much, Abhishek Anand, for the latest.